Hi guys, I'm here at Honk today and I'm super excited to be trying out the new Pan-Asian menu. I mean, I'm already salivating. So let's go.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Honk.
I have a reservation for one.
Sir, by the name of?
ABHAY.
Okay, so please first use sanitizer. Sir, please welcome.
Hello, Abhay. Welcome to Honk by Pullman. My name is Neeraj Tyagi. I'm the director of CLEANLINESS.
Hi chef, I haven't had anything since morning, so I'm super excited.
So great. So today you're going to experience some really authentic and traditional dishes.
Awesome, let's bring it on.
Thank you. We have recently launched a very exciting menu at Honk by Pullman, where we have covered the major rice-growing countries like China, Thailand, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam. In China, we have doing the food from the Cantonese region, Sichuan region, and very exciting and authentic food from the Yunnan province. In Thailand, we are doing the food from the northern part and the central part, and we are doing the Vietnamese, and we are doing a very authentic Beijing duck, where we are doing the Peking duck, we are doing the pork belly, we are doing chicken, and we have a huge variety of DIMSUMs. Apart from this, we are doing a very progressive and innovative sushis and sashimi. So please come and try the Honk new menu.
So while I enjoy the rest of this amazing meal, I recommend you make your reservations and come try out their new menu for yourself. And they also have unlimited dim sum brunches every weekend, and I'm coming back here on Sunday.